Hi friends, in this lecture we will continue Stokes theorem. So this is the statement of Stokes theorem. Integral f bar dot dr over the curve C equal to double integral of curl f dot n ds over the surface S. See one example. Evaluate by Stokes theorem integral yz dx plus xz dy plus xy dz over the curve C, where C is the curve x square plus y square equal to 1 and z equal to y square. Since the definition of Stokes theorem is integral f bar dot dr over the curve C equal to double integral of del cross f dot n ds over the surface S. So we have to calculate this integral yz dx plus xz dy plus xy dz over the curve C. So by using Stokes theorem, whenever single integral is given, we are converting into double integral. If the double integral is given, we are converting into single integral and we are calculating easily. Since integral f bar dot dr equal to integral f1 dx plus f2 dy plus f3 dz. Now comparing this with the given problem, f1 equal to yz, f2 equal to xz, f3 equal to xy. Now instead of calculating this single integral, we have to calculate this double integral del cross f dot n ds over the surface S. So first of all, you have to calculate this del cross f. So del cross f equal to 3 by 3 determinant of I, j, k, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, f1, f2, f3. Now put this f1, f2, f3 values. So f1 is yz, f2 is xz, f3 is xy. Now simplify this. I into, so eliminate this corresponding row and column, I into dou by dou y of xy. So with respect to y, so this y value is 1 into x minus dou by dou z of xz. With respect to z, z value is 1 into x is x minus j into, so corresponding to this eliminate this row and column, dou by dou x of xy. So with respect to x is 1, y minus dou by dou z of yz. So with respect to z, z value is 1, y plus k into, so eliminate this row and column, dou by dou x of xz. With respect to x is 1, so that is z minus dou by dou y of yz. So with respect to y value is 1 into z is z. So therefore this is 0, this is 0, this is 0. Therefore 0i plus 0j plus 0k, so that is 0 vector. So therefore double integral of del cross f dot n ds over the surface S equal to, so substitute this del cross f value. So del cross f equal to 0, therefore this total value is 0. Therefore integral yz dx plus xz dy plus xy dz over the curve C equal to 0. See one more problem. Evaluate by Stokes theorem integral f bar dot dr, where C is the rectangle bounded by x equal to plus or minus a, y equal to 0, y equal to b, and f bar equal to x square plus y square of I minus 2xyj. So since integral f bar dot dr equal to double integral of del cross f dot n ds over the surface S, again in this single integral is given, we are converting into double integral. So first of all, you have to calculate this del cross f. So del cross f equal to 3 by 3 determinant of I, j, k, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, f1, f2, f3. So f1 is x square plus y square, f2 is minus 2xy, and f3 is 0. Now calculate this. I into, so eliminate this row and column, dou by dou y of 0. So derivative of 0 is 0 minus dou by dou z of minus 2xy. With respect to z, this 2xy is constant 0 minus j into, eliminate this row and column, dou by dou x of 0, 0 minus dou by dou z of x square plus y square. With respect to z, x square and y square are constant, therefore this value is 0 plus k into, so eliminate this column and row, dou by dou x of minus 2xy. With respect to x is 1 minus 2y minus dou by dou y of x square plus y square. With respect to y, x square is 0 y square derivative is 2y. So minus 2y minus 2y, that is minus 4y into k. So since this surface lies on xy plane, see this, the unit normal vector perpendicular to this xy plane is k, therefore consider this n cap equal to k and ds equal to dx dy along xy plane, dx dy. So therefore del cross f equal to minus 4yk, n cap equal to k and ds equal to dx dy. So therefore what are the limits of x and y? Since x is varying from this minus a to a and y is varying from 0 to b, therefore x limits are minus a to a and y limits are 0 to b. So substitute these values in this. So therefore double integral of del cross f dot nds over the surface S equal to double integral of del cross f, that is minus 4yk dot n cap is k, ds is dx dy. So since k dot k is 1, so minus 4 is constant. So double integral of y dx dy. So limits of x is varying from minus a to a and y is 0 to b. So minus 4 into, so these two are the constant limits. So integral minus a to a dx, integral 0 to b y dy. Since integral dx is x, between the limits minus a to a, integral y dy, that is y square by 2. So cancel this 2, minus 2 into, so put in this upper limit minus lower limit, a minus of minus a, so that is 2a, and in case of this put y equal to b, b square minus 0 is p square. So 2a b square into minus 2, that is minus 4a b square. Therefore integral f bar dot dr over the curve c equal to minus 4a b square. So like that, whenever single integral is given, we are converting into double integral by using Stokes theorem and we are solving. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe.